how to see a specific person's Instagram activity. Now, let's say I want to check this person's activity. All I have to do is to go to their profile and then click on this button right here, the bell button. So I just have to turn everything on to get all the notification I want to make sure that I get notified if this person does an activity such as posting a story or going live. Another thing is that you can tap this tag button right here and you will be able to see posts that they are tagged in. Right here, there's another way for you to see how they've been or what they are doing on the recent. Unfortunately though, this is the closest we can get into seeing a specific person's Instagram activity. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please give a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.